Hello students, yesterday you completed the textiles. Women and children, how horribly they were working in the textiles with their situation. So today we are going to read about coal mines. Actually coal mines are very dangerous places to work in, and many kind of problems are there ahead of the women and children or the men, those who are working there. The first one is explosion. Explosion is a quite common factor for extracting the coal. It leads to, in coal mines, bad ventilation, second one, bad ventilation leads to different kind of diseases, particularly lung diseases. Second one, they use children to reach deep coal phases where the path was very narrow for adults. Adults to enter. Particularly in coal mines, children were engaged. The main reason for engaging children is the deep coal mines, the pit of the mine, it is very narrow, too narrow for adult to enter. So they used to engage children to enter inside the narrow path of the faces of the mines. Third point, the children carry heavy loads of coal on their backs, and they called as coal barriers. For which their tender body parts doesn't support. Though they cannot do the work, but it is compulsory for them to do the work, and that too sometimes they, in coal mines, they engage themselves for 10 to 14 hours per day. And if you will see the weekly timings, then it may be more than 70 hours also. The next point, they used to start work at the age of less than 10 years. It is a very horrible situation. The children less than 10 years were not supposed to do any kind of physical work. But here in coal mines, they engage the children, those who are less than 10 years. The next point is very horrible one. Just now I have explained you, long working hours. If it is daily, if you will see, more than 14 hours, weekly more than 17 hours. So these are all the problems faced by the children in coal mines. If it is women, in the case of women, faced the problem they had to tolerate the humiliating terms of humiliating. Sometimes they used to insult by the factory owners in different ways. Second one, they lost their children at birth or sometime before birth due to the horrible work condition, horrible timings. So sometimes it is quite common there for the ladies, those who are working in mines, they may lose the child before birth or at the time of birth due to some problems. Next point, they had to live in slums. As they migrated from rural areas to urban areas, there is no other go. They have to live in the slum areas and where the living condition was very horrible. Fourth point, health. Fourth point is health issues. As the children used to face different kind of problems due to explosion or as there was no proper ventilation, the same problem even for the ladies also, those who are working in coal mines, and many people they suffered with lung diseases particularly. Then the very important thing is gender bias, gender discrimination. You can see the picture in textbook which is given there, and the picture is about a lady who is working in a buttons, making buttons, and the discrimination in most of the coal mines, textiles and different kind of factories in between the male and female for the same working hours, for the same kind of work is that is men received men received 25 shilling a week, whereas women received 7 shilling for a week. If it is children, they received only 1 shilling for the same working hours and for the same work. So see the discrimination here, the payment for the male, female and children, as they won't raise their voice against this kind of discrimination. So during those times in factories, coal mines, in textiles, most of the time women and children were engaged. All these things happened, particularly in the case of children. At that time, education was not compulsory. There was no rules and regulations for any kind of child loss or child labor or compulsory education, as the family also they were bound to, particularly ladies, they were encouraged to have a large family, so that even the children can earn money for their families. So these are the problems which created during the time of industrialization, whether the women or the children to engage themselves, join in the factories and in the industries, coal mines, though it is a very horrible working times, or the condition is very horrible.